they just changed it to a time sharing agreement. So we do have the time sharing agreement now for upcoming guys that
Can a non-parent establish a time sharing agreement in Georgia?
it's actually established through the child support process now. But yeah, then we have to establish paternity. That
Wait a
would
minute.
be first.
Isn't one of those cases in a circuit and the other case in an administrative process or whatever you all call superior court, whatever it is? Well, let's do this. Hold on. Let's just do this. I just lost something here. Let's try this. I really was trying to get the hell out of here. Let's do this. What do y'all see on your screen? Taylor versus Taylor?
Yep.
Okay. So let's do this. I'm in here. And by the way, we've, as a collective, GD NAPSI does now, we've made this leap into this. So let's go in here. So what state? What state? Oh, he's not. I guess he dropped off. So we're Georgia, right? What was the question again? Dayley, are you there? What happened to Chris?
Can a legitimate parent be put on child support? I believe it was a question.
It's like the order of operation that you were asking. Is it child support first, then legitimation, or does legitimation have to come first, then child support?
Legitimacy has to come first. You have to be established as a legal father first.
Oh wow. This might be, what's that other thing we can do inside of here?
What are you trying to do?
What is the order of operation for come out. Okay, so Daryl's back.
Yeah, establishing a legal father would be through paternity. So that it has nothing to do with time that you spend with your. That has nothing to do with visitation. That would be legitimacy. So in Georgia, anyway.
Are you a parent if you're? Wow.
Yeah, that's how it is. So you got, and trust me, I went through child support first. After they got my DNA, they was like, "You the legal father, you got to pay $1,000 a month, right?" Then I had to go through the process of getting legitimized so I can have time with my kid.
I'm not asking what they did. We're trying to find out what the law says they should have done.
Okay. Well,
I'm sure you can ask anybody in Florida. Most guys in Florida had no idea that your child support order is supposed to be based upon the time sharing. But they just bring in and they establish an administrative order, and you're stuck into a child support obligation where they didn't follow the rules. What's the Clark? Can y'all see the Clark versus Wade, or do y'all see something else on your screen?
Yeah, I can see that Clark versus Wade.
Am I not seeing a statute awarding visitation to a non-parent is unconstitutional because it does not require a showing of harm to the child? I don't know what that 40 already is. We're going to look that up. A statute awarding custody to a non-parent is unconstitutional but does not require a showing of harm to the child. Joint custody to parent and grandparent, that's different. Holding once the finding is made by the trial court, it can exercise discretion regarding custody to a non. But that's interesting.